Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to update apps in Windows 11 for free. Let me show you how to do that.
Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos.
Yes, from my laptop, I just open start menu. I just go to Microsoft Store. So once I open Microsoft Store, this is Microsoft Store. So I can install a lot of application with the free or with the cost. So now I would like to see what are the applications installed in my laptop. So how to update that one is a free one. So on your right hand side you will find option called home, apps, games, film and library. Once you select the library option, there are plenty of updates and downloads will be available. So Windows Web Experience Pack app is update is waiting for me, and you have the update all, get updates, everything will be there, so that you can see entire application which is installed in your laptop. So you can download and have access, or you just click here for the get updates so that you will get the updates option. For example, I just want to update this one, so for the free, because Microsoft maximum they used to give the free for the updates. So just click the update, so you will get the experienced one, so that your application will be installed within a second. Yes, your application is updated successfully, so that what are the updates we have. So if you automatically switched on your updates, means it may derived your entire internet. So if you have this option, so you can easily update your own ideas, so that the latest application, for example OneNote application, I just want to update, so I just want to get this one. So use this updates option to go to library to update your application. It is easy to have access, so you can check it out where's the update is there. So any other updates are pendings are there, any other games is updates is pending are there, application are updates, movie and updates, and include with the device any updates are there, everything will be displayed in your laptop. Using this step you can update your application, so that you can latestly work with your latest update. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.